Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the Human Kaizen expert and the author of Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. December 3rd. A poor man with nothing in his belly needs hope, illusion, more than bread. George Bernanos. When I began building my business in my early 20s, it was my faith in my plan and hope for a better future that got me through the long ramp up and hungry days. It was the little victories that I could celebrate every day that kept me moving along the road to success. All the stumbles and the trips forgotten at this point because each little win was all that registered in my mind. Little bites of achievement convincing me to keep going. This illusion ultimately leads to excellence. I'm Joe Templin, Human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.